only does one at a time, but it's a commercial machine that has somebody at a seat or at a stool feeding these things in manually. So you got a core, and then whatever we can do with one of these, and then we come over here. Another version. I have more of these, but I only bought one of them. That's a little tricky, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Sort of took most of the skin off of that, and then so there we got a half.
What does this one do?
What are you pointing to?
On me.
That's what the other ones do. Just
Look,
try and demonstrate it.
Sure, did you have some apple? Did you have some apple? Can you try some? No? You can try some.
Right? Coming down. Coming in hot.
All right, move ahead. Oh.
Apples are just too damn soft. Scheisse.
So it's supposed to be peeling it while it goes down?
Just went out of cycle here. Yeah. We're gonna have to put this off to the side. I was afraid of that. So that stays. I've been a pain in the neck lately.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Try the
Like
apple.
apple skin. See?
Dan, give me some. Dan, give me some. Dan, no.
Shay, that is like apple juice, really.